Hello, good morning. This is Sunil Agrawal, Assistant Professor, Department of Management, Mahant Lakshminarayan Das College, Gandhi Chowk, Raipur. In my previous video, we have discussed about meaning of management information system, element of management information system, types of management information system, and objective or goals of management information system. Today we are discussing with the two most important topic of management information system, which is called MIS in short. That two topics are first installing an MIS system in your organization, means how should you install or how can we install an MIS system in our organization. This is our first topic. And second, the basic and important characteristic of an MIS system. So let's start with our first topic, that is how to install an MIS system in our organization. So whenever we go through with installation of an MIS in our organization, we have to follow four steps. The first step is called preliminaries, second step is called planning, third step is called implementation, and the fourth step is called review. I am repeating: first preliminaries, second planning, third implementation, and fourth review. If you want to understand or if you want to recognize these four elements, then you just make a small thing, that you just take the first letter of all the four factors. The first one is preliminaries, P, second one is planning, P, third one is implementation, I, and last one is review, that is R. PPIR. P preliminaries, P planning, I implementation, R review. So let's take first point, that is preliminaries. Preliminaries means it requires proper study of business objective, plan, policies, procedure, etc. It enables the data required and its sources to collection of data. Organization structure should be able to supply the required information. The success of MIS will depend upon the support of top level management. In preliminaries, what we actually do? First, we just see what is our objective, what is our plan, what is our policies, what are our procedures in our management. And if we are installing an MIS system in our organization, then how will we collect data? Because management information system is all about collection of data, as we have discussed in our previous video. So whenever we install an MIS system in our organization, on that situation we just go through with preliminary stage that give us information about all the things about our organization's objective, our organization's policies, rules, regulation, procedures, etc. And then we find out by which section, by which department, by which area we can collect data for our MIS system. Second is planning. Planning, the informational need of top, middle and lower level of management should be studied so that the system is planned accordingly. The question like what data is needed, when it is needed, who it is needed, and what form it is needed. Basically, when we talk about the planning section or when we talk about the planning stage in management information system installation process, on that situation what we do? First, we just try to know the answer of four basic questions. The first question is what? First, what data is needed? Second, when it is needed? Third, who need these data? And last, what form it is needed? And these data will be used by all the level of management, that is top level, middle level, low level. We have discussed in our last video that there are two types of MIS or management information system. That is, first one is a management operating system. Management operating system basically deal with lower level and middle level management, and second one is management reporting system. Management reporting system deal with top level management. After planning, we go for our third stage, that is implementation. In implementation stage, what we do, that we just implement our MIS system in organization. That is, MIS can effectively be applied only when every person in the organization is involved in it. Information system manuals, standard pro forma should be decided for collecting information system. Whenever we implement our MIS in our organization, then we should know very well that how will we collect our data, because MIS is all about collection of data. If you are collecting data, or if you are able to collect data, then only your MIS system will be effectively implemented in your organization. Otherwise, you may have some problems in implementation of MIS in your organization. And the last one is review. Review means what? The review system is very essential for MIS installation system. The problem and difficulties faced in the system and additional requirements should be pointed out. What we do in review system, when we go through with our preliminary sketch, when we go through with our planning sketch, when we implement our management information system in our organization, then what we do, we just review. Either we are getting result according to our standard, or we are not getting the result. We try to find out the deviation, and according to that deviation we take our corrective action. Basically, whenever we do review, review is a feedback of our execution or our any work whatever we are doing in our management. So I am repeating: first preliminaries, second planning, third implementation, fourth review. Preliminaries, planning, implementation, review, PPIR.